Today, I'm going to show you how to change product option images in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you want customers to see exactly what each variation of your product looks like, whether it's different colors, sizes, or styles. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, take a look at the left navigation menu. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Catalog, and this will trigger a drop-down selection to appear. From that drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Store Products, and then click on Products. This takes you to your product catalog where all your items are listed. Now that you're in your products section, you'll see a list of all the items you've added to your store. Take a moment to browse through and select the specific product you wish to add or change a product option image on. Simply click on that product to open its detailed settings page. This is where you'll be able to customize everything about this particular item. Once you're on the product info page, scroll down until you find the product options section. This area is where you can add different variations of your item, such as different colors or sizes. Click on Add Option to start creating a new variant. You'll be prompted to enter details about the variation. For example, if you're selling a shirt, you might add a color option like red or blue, or a size option like small or medium. Fill in all the required fields carefully, making sure the information is accurate, then click Add. A notification window will pop up stating that one new variant was added. Click a Got It to acknowledge this and close the notification. Now comes the important part. From your newly created product variant, locate the small image icon next to the variant details. Click on this image icon, as this is where you can change or add the specific image for that variant. You'll see a plus icon appear. Click on that plus icon to open your media library. Here, you can select the image you wish to associate with this particular variant. Once you've chosen the right image, click Apply. You'll now see the image displayed in the same row as your added variant, confirming that it's been successfully attached. Finally, click Apply again to save all these settings, and that's it. You've successfully changed your product option images in Wix, giving your customers a clear visual representation of each product variation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.